Hey, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com. In today's video, I'm going to go over LifterLMS Social Learning and what it can add to your website. So I'm going to head to the Get Started docs here. Getting started with social learning, I'll want to install and enable it. So you can either download the social learning plugin from LifterLMS and upload the zip file by heading to Plugins, Add New, and Upload. But what I'm going to do is head to LifterLMS Add-ons and More. And if you have the LifterLMS Helper plugin installed and activated, you can install, and your license key in, you can install directly into your site. So I'll head here to Social Learning and click Install Apply. Now I can activate it from here. Oops. Okay. Load it up. Activate from there. And now I'll want to head to the LifterLMS settings and enable the integration. So the plugin is installed and activated. I'll head to Settings, Integrations, and Social Learning. You can see installed but not yet enabled. We'll click right there and then check to enable this integration. And we can see our student directory page here. We can see which page is going to be our site timeline, and we can set our network privacy. As you can see, we have three options: public, private users, and private for students. And there's a little more of a description here. Private for users means that profiles are visible to users, and students means only visible to active students. And if you set users or students only as your privacy, then you'll have to set a redirect page as well for students, or for people to be redirected to if they try and access that page. So I'll set mine to public, and actually to show you the redirect page, I'll set it to private, save changes, and reload, and there should be another option there. Yep, there we go, the restricted access redirect if I want to do one of the private modes. I'll just do public for now, save changes, and as you can see here, we have some more settings, the social networks. So these are some options of social networks you can allow students to add in their account. So I'll just check these three and save changes there. Now, if we head to the front end of my site, I'll head to the student dashboard, and we should see a new tab here. We should see the My Profile right there. I'll click My Profile, and it should take me here. And so what I can do here is modify my cover image. This is pulling from my WordPress Gravatar. I can see things like courses, memberships, achievements, and dashboards. And I can also click here to update my avatar. But I can click here to see edit information. And this will take me to my account edit. And I have some options here for what I can change, what I want my name to display publicly as. I can change my handle. We'll change that to Will Middleton. I can type in biography. This is my bio. And I can add in things like my website address. And you saw we checked Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So those options are here for me as well. But I will update with that. Click Save Changes. New password is a required field. Yeah, that was odd. I wonder why that's popping down. I'll try and save again here. Okay, great. So my account information has been saved, and now I'll head back to my profile, and we should see my handle's Will Middleton, and I can see my bio right there. And I can share my thoughts on my timeline here. I'll just do hello and post that. And so I have my timeline going, and people can write replies here as well. So that is a basic introduction to LifterLMS social learning, and how that all works and what it can add to your site. It allows you to display these profiles publicly, and I can also check out here courses that I'm enrolled in, memberships, and achievements, and I can head to my dashboard there. But yeah, thanks for joining me in this video. Feel free to drop any suggestions for videos you want to see down in the future, or in the future, down in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.